Let me present to you Klicky Changer. It's a tool changer setup which uses Klicky probe, or in this case Klicky PCB, as a probing method, Z probing method. It is based on the cell changer design of 3 pins and magnets. Is compatible with 6mm and 9mm belts. Pins are held in place with screws, and the electrical contact between shuttle and backplate is made by pogo pins. The pogo pins are 8 contact pogo pins. 4 of them are used for pin detection because this is not a tool detection setup, tool probe detection. This is a pin detection setup. 4 of them here underneath, all 4 are shorted out, and on the shuttle will be 2 shorted out and other 2 shorted out with wires which will be connected to the pins on the toolboard, which you designate as a pin detection. The other 4 are 2 for the X end stop, if you use it as such, and 2 as for the Klicky. The wires are very thin wires, 28-26 gauge, and are super glued in place. And the body of this is the back plate for my back plate for my mini burner XL tool head, which is mounted with 2 screws from behind and 3 8mm long countersunk screws. And 2 on the lower side in the front. And the rest of the build, toolhead build, is the same as in the mini build assembly video. The dock for mini burner XL is this. The dimension for the dock are for the mounting on the extrusion, which sets on the face on the printer or inside of the door buffer. The tool head is held in place by 4 magnets, which are magnets which are mounted on the dock with screws, 10mm long screws, countersunk self-tapping screws. I don't use magnets in the printed part anymore, they tend to come loose. This is a spring steel here with a silicone pad. I have a mold for this pad I will put on GitLab, which is the spring steel is held in place by this 2 screws and a printed part. The screws are screwed in heat inserts, and these are 2 screws with T-nuts for mounting on the extrusion. I will demonstrate now with a tool head, which also has magnets. These 4 magnets here, also held in place by screws, countersunk 8mm long, 2mm diameter countersunk self-tapping screws, and this is steady enough, doesn't fall. and this is how it looks from the behind. I use this setup for a while now and I don't have any problems, any